Ever since the pandemic took place, we all might have heard a fair share of success and horror stories based around cryptocurrency. From people losing thousands of dollars in a flash to Glauber Contes Soto turning his $200,000 into a whopping $3 million within a few months. Cryptocurrency can make anything possible. But John, how would I know which cryptocurrency can make my rags to riches story come to life? Well, that's a valid question because no one can 100% guarantee whether a coin would make you profit or not. But this video isn't about guaranteeing, it's about the calculation and understanding of potentially profitable cryptocurrencies. Realistically, with an asset of such high volatility and fluctuation, if rush decisions are made, such as investing in unfamiliar cryptocurrencies, significant loss, or even losing all your money is quite possible. But if you enter the market with the right knowledge at the right time, making quite a huge fortune with little to no effort has its possibilities. However, do note that this video also isn't for financial advice. I'm just a random dude on YouTube, so be sure to always seek advice from your financial advisor. And if you happen to lose money, just promise me that a little bit of the cursing is all you're going to do, okay? So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Here are 3 cryptocurrencies that show a huge potential to explode next. Number 1, Solana. Solana is a name that you might have heard of frequently if you've been following the world of cryptocurrency for a while. Well, what is Solana, and why is it so popular? So without getting into complex details, unlike the conventional proof-of-work mechanism for a crypto like Bitcoin, Solana operates on a combination of proof-of-stake and proof-of-history. The difference between the two is that the proof-of-work utilizes intense computational power and time to verify transactions on the blockchain, and speedy transactions are where Bitcoin and Ethereum lack, taking anywhere from 10 minutes up to an hour for each one. Another major disadvantage with proof of work is that the operation calls for advanced equipment and technology, which comes at a massive price tag of roughly $35,000 for a miner to set up. So to balance it out, proof of work-based blockchains charge heavily when it comes to transaction fees. On the other hand, Solana requires neither the same computational nor mining power to operate, which makes it drastically more money and more energy efficient. Thereby, it has the capability of processing up to 65,000 transactions a second with pennies in transaction fees. This mechanism has also allowed Solana to crown itself as the fastest blockchain on the planet. So, what does the future look like for Solana? In the foreseeable future, what's coming for Solana seems bright. The insanely fast blockchain, doubled along with low transaction fees, screams scalability and growth. Although the crypto saw a bearish run in 2021, dropping from an all-time high of $260 to $34, with the advancements in infrastructure and technology, Solana would certainly make for a good buy right now. As it's trading at a low of $34, it is cheaper to get more coins that have a lot of potential for year 2023. But remember, it's never too late to buy Solana. Number 2, Monero. Monero was developed solely around the concept of privacy. It utilizes complex technology which has a one-time use. Stealth address, meaning that any Monero exchange cannot be traced back to the sender. Another key privacy feature of Monero is the ring CT, which essentially adds multiple decoy transactions into one single transaction for blending in the legitimate one. But we're not here to get into all the complexities, so let's answer the simple question. Is Monero a good buy right now? Well, if we look at the charts, Monero has held a strong hold, even during the bearish market trend. From an all-time high of $483 back in September of last year to $152 today, it may not be the cheapest coin to buy at any time, but if you're looking for a solid return in the short term, Monero is a must-buy. According to analysts, in the year of 2023, it is predicted that Monero will hike to almost 122% or $331 per coin. So make sure you don't miss out on that opportunity, as it can definitely be a game changer. Number 3, Ethereum. Ethereum is known to be quite steady in its price action and is about to see a huge bullish trend in the coming times. Well, why is that? One of the biggest reasons for Ethereum's soaring price has been the rise of decentralized finance and NFTs. And as of the stats from 2021, the NFT marketplace is valued at nearly $11.3 billion. And since most NFTs on platforms like OpenSea are trading using Ethereum, it translates to massive growth potential for the coin's value. Secondly, since Ethereum allows for the development of smart contracts, it powers a lot of the popular decentralized finance-based cryptocurrencies and other projects. So as these sectors continue to boom, Ethereum will see growth synonymously. So, should you buy Ethereum right now? Well, the short answer would be yes. This is probably the best time to get into Ethereum as it's trading roughly around the $1,590 mark, which is far from its all-time high of $4,730 per Ethereum coin. Although there's an apparent decline because of the bearish market trend, Ethereum has been undergoing long-awaited upgrades and scalability improvements, which would contribute massively to the price hike. Regardless of that, one thing is for sure: Ethereum is probably the only cryptocurrency that gives rivalry to the market leader, Bitcoin. But believe it or not, both the coins weren't designed for competition, clearly highlighted by the fact that Bitcoin's market cap is standing at $425 billion today, and Ethereum tops out at just $196 billion. It would be unfair to crown either one, since the sole purpose of Bitcoin was exclusively to be a digital currency and nothing more. Ethereum, on the other hand, just complements Bitcoin by incorporating the perks of hosting other cryptos and digital assets like decentralized apps and NFTs on its blockchain. So there's certainly no cutthroat competition here. Now, talking about the price action, analysts predict that in the coming months, Ethereum would be making its comeback with a hike of 113.7%, or a maximum of $3,410 per ETH. Okay, John, but how do I spot the next big cryptocurrency? Okay, well, that's the tricky part here, because you can never know which one is next to skyrocket. However, there are certainly a few indicators to look out for. Firstly, the social media hype around a cryptocurrency is an excellent indicator of its potential. If a lot of people seem interested and optimistic about the success of a project, it might be a good time for you to take part as well. Secondly, market capitalization and price charts are also great indicators of a potentially skyrocketing crypto. As a general rule, the larger the market cap, the more people believe and are willing to invest in that cryptocurrency. So, coming towards an end, I've got a question to ask you. But first, scroll down to the comment section and let me know what cryptocurrency has the most potential or that you're bullish on right now. Now, while you were down there, did you subscribe to the channel and like this video? You did, right? Alright, so make sure to do that, because in the next video, you'll be commenting on how it was the best decision of your life. Anyways, that's all for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one soon.